Hey guys, what's up? So yesterday I got a very interesting email and I'm going to read it for you. So it says, "Hey Kirk, my name is Beth and I'm from Brooklyn. I just want to start by saying that I love your channel and I encourage you to keep doing the great work. So I've been thinking of starting my own private label Shopify business as well, but I don't know if I should start with one product or several products. Can I start a good business with one product? Would love to hear your thoughts." Okay, well, let's talk about it. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying on this video. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, my name is Kurt Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to start their own e-commerce brand and business. So if you've always wanted to learn exactly how to start your own brand and e-commerce business, then I highly suggest that you get subscribed to my channel and check out the links in the video description for more resources that's going to help you get started. Okay, so with that said, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 4 reasons why starting your e-commerce brand and business with just one product may just be the best option for you. Okay, so when I first decided to start my own private label brand and business about 5 years ago, I actually shared the idea with quite a few people just to get some feedback and to hear their thoughts on my ideas. I actually shared it with some friends and I shared it with some of my coworkers at that time, and I got some mixed reactions, but most people was basically negative towards my idea at that time because my plan was to start a private label brand with just one simple product. So some of the feedback I got was really negative, and I can remember clearly one of my coworkers telling me at that time that perhaps starting a business with just one product may not be a good idea because the market may be too small for me to actually sell enough of that product to make enough money for me to sustain that business and for me to be motivated to continue with that business. Anyways, I proceeded and I still continued with my idea, and one of my friends who agreed and liked the idea at the time became my business partner, and 5 years later my business has grown each year by double digits every single year. So the point is, starting your business with one product may not be a bad idea. Maybe 20 or 30 or maybe even 50 years ago it may not have been a great idea, but now where we're connected with the internet and you can actually find your market of people wherever in the world they are, it may be a great idea to start with just one product, and that is what I highly recommend you do, as a matter of fact. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be sharing my 4 reasons that I always give to my clients why starting with one product may be the best possible idea for a private label brand. Okay, so the first reason, which is a very important reason why you should consider starting your own private label Shopify business with just one product, is because it's a lot easier to work with suppliers when you are only working with one product. So working with several different suppliers can take a lot of your time and effort. And when you're just starting your private label business as a solopreneur, you will need a lot more time to spend on more important things in your business, such as marketing. So I highly recommend starting with just one product, just so you can limit the number of suppliers that you have to work with, so you can save a lot of time, and time is money. So you will save a lot of time and money that you can invest into other areas of your business. Of course, as your business grows, then you can branch out into other products and start working with several manufacturers and several suppliers at that time and start to scale your business. But as a solopreneur, as someone who's just getting started, I highly recommend starting with one product, just so it's more manageable to work with suppliers and manufacturers. So that's the first reason why it may be worth it for you to start with just one product. Okay, so the second very important reason why you should consider starting your private label Shopify business with just one product as opposed to starting with several different products is because marketing will be a lot easier for you when you have just one product to focus on. So the success of your business in general will be dependent on the effectiveness of your marketing. E-commerce is 99% marketing. I've spoken about this several times in some of my previous videos. So you have to market well in order for your business to be successful. And when you have several products to focus on, then that just means that your marketing ideas will be spread across different products, and your marketing budget as well will have to be shared across different products. So I highly recommend focusing on one product, saving some of that money that you'd use to invest into other product to spend on marketing your first product. Of course, if you have a lot more money to invest in your business, if you have a large capital, then this may be null and void, and then you may just be able to start with several products. But based on experience, I highly recommend starting with one product and saving and investing more of that money into marketing that one product. So creating content for that product will be a whole lot easier, and advertising that product on social media and on Google, for example, will be a lot easier as well. So that is what I recommend for someone who is just getting started with their own Shopify private label brand. Okay, so reason number 3 why having a one product private label Shopify business may be worth it as opposed to having a multi-product private label business is that you increase your chances of success when you actually try to position yourself as a niche expert as opposed to trying to be everything to everyone. So mass marketing is dying. So in the 1950s and 60s and parts of the 1970s, mass marketing was the go-to marketing style, but now the market has shifted to niche marketing. And if you actually want to give your business a fighting chance of actually succeeding in this current market, you have to focus on being a niche business, a niche marketer. So that is why it's highly recommended that you try to position yourself as a niche expert, and this will actually increase your chances of being recognized as the go-to person for that particular type of product as opposed to trying to be something for everyone. So this is not just my own opinion. Other experts have been talking a lot about this in recent times as well. And one of the more notable experts on this topic in recent times is Seth Godin. And if you don't know exactly who Seth Godin is, I highly recommend you type Seth into Google, and his blog should be the first blog that pops up. And he's a marketing expert. He has been in this field for a very long time. He has written over 16 marketing books, and he's well respected in the marketing world. And he talks a lot about trying to be more niche specific as opposed to trying to be a mass market or a mass produced brand. So that is why it's highly recommended that you try to focus on becoming a niche expert and try to make yourself recognizable as the go-to person for a specific product as opposed to trying to be everything to everyone. And this will increase your chances of success with your private label business. Okay, so the fourth and final reason why you should start a one product private label Shopify business as opposed to trying to start a multi-product business is that you have a lower startup cost associated to starting a one product business as opposed to trying to start a multi-product business. So this is a very easy way for you to limit your risk. And remember, we don't know exactly what will happen with the business. 90% of businesses fail. Your business may just fail. So you don't want to invest more money than you need to invest to get started. So I highly recommend start with one product and limit your startup cost. Also, when you start with just one product, as I mentioned earlier, you will free up a lot more money to invest in marketing, and the success of your business will depend a lot on the effectiveness on your marketing. So limit your startup costs by starting with just one product as opposed to trying to start with several different products, and give yourself a chance to succeed. Okay, so there you have it. Those are my 4 reasons why you should consider starting a one product private label Shopify business as opposed to trying to start a business with several products. I really do hope you found a lot of value in this video, and if you did, please let me know by dropping a like on this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment, and don't forget to share this video with a friend. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.